So what's my plan for this third day in Prague? Well, you see, I have a plan of firstly going shopping. I'm going to go to a few camping and hiking stores, possibly get a new small backpack. The prices here are not very cheap, like they're very similar to the Irish prices, but that's fine with me. I'm going to go to the DOX Centre for Contemporary Art on the other side of the river, then going towards the castle, going back to that garden area where there's a photo exhibition that I really want to go to. Is about the fall of the Iron Curtain. Then I'm going to go to a few other things like the Cafe of the Black Madonna, the Cubism Cafe, and another few places in the centre, and then we'll figure it out. Yeah, I guess that's the best way to do it. I just went to a store named Minimal Waste. It's right around the corner from my hostel. It's fantastic. Basically, there's a store space where they have a lot of products such as cups, ways to use coffee, kind of different bags, many different bags, tote bags, net bags, not plastic but clear bags that are made from recycled material. They're amazing substitute for plastic bags in grocery stores when you're going, grocery shopping for fruit and veg, and many other products. It's a fairly good price, and they're cashless as well, which is fantastic. So you pay by credit card or debit card, and it's really good value. They also have a section where they have kind of a cafe, and they have a small selection of products that you can buy based on weight. Really cool, and you buy it in like a reusable container. And they're trying to work on a scheme called MIWA, and that's basically where you go shopping for groceries, grains, salts, anything, and you pay by weight, which is really cool. I love to see that happening. And also, one other section in this shop is their communal space. Essentially an area where you can do workshops, talks, organizations, there's film screenings, everything like that, just to bring minimum waste into the light and try and educate more people on the whole process and the product. I'm super impressed by the shop. It feels very new and modern because they don't have an online store. They have a website, but they just don't sell the products yet. They're trying to figure out how to do that in the most sustainable way possible, which I wholly and wholeheartedly respect and admire. Yeah, I'm super impressed by that. I ended up getting some, small bags for groceries and nuts. Yeah, wow, Prague. This shop really impressed me. Really good stuff. So, a fun thing about Prague and a really cool thing to note is that since it's such an old city, it's ancient, a lot of the tourist attractions are actually in the town centre, the old town, which is all in walking distance. You could basically spend like 4 or 5 hours just walking around the old town and seeing all the major tourist attractions. Of course, you'll be doing maybe 15-20 kilometers max, which is a lot if you think about it, but you're going to see everything else all on foot. And yes, Prague also has amazing public transport, so if you don't feel like walking from one attraction to the other, like from the old town, the castle is a bit of a hillway, you can always take the tram, which is only about 24 crowns, which is €1. It's incredible. But as I was saying, the Museum of Contemporary Art that I'm going to is actually relatively far from the old town and city centre. It's maybe a 30-minute walk from my hostel, and from that to the castle it's another 50-some walk, so I'm definitely going to take the tram there. But yeah, if the weather is nice, I don't see why you shouldn't walk, because it's fantastic here. Currently I'm sitting on the top floor of the DOX Centre for Contemporary Art. Not 100% sure how many floors there is or how many exhibits, but it's pretty fabulous so far. They have an amazing gift shop and souvenir shop with many really amazing art products from local artists, international artists, as well as many books, both on interior, exterior, photo books, etc. It's mind-blowing how much selection they actually have in this one place. And then the exhibits are really good. Downstairs is more of an architecture exhibit, mainly focused on staircases and that kind of thing. It's been really cool. Most of the talk was in Czech, but there are subtitles on and it's really nice, and all the stuff writing on the wall is both in Czech and English, which is super cool. And there's many different areas of this whole building with exhibitions, museums, etc., and I've yet to explore most of them, but I've been thoroughly impressed so far. And the cafe as well has really reasonable pricing, an outdoor seating area, indoor seating area, and it's really well designed. Like, this is a fabulous place to be in, and I'm so happy to be here now. I'm probably going to spend a few more hours here because it only costs 180 Czech, which is around €7-8, and yeah, that's a bargain for what you're getting in here. I'll be honest, I have seen a lot, been to a lot of places and a lot of museums, seen a lot of art, so I'm not the easiest to impress, but this building, the actual design and the whole layout of it is just blowing my mind. There's like double, triple story ceilings, it's massive, the layout is kind of in a weird circle shape, so you might think you're at a completely different end of the building, but you take one staircase down and you're right at the front door. It's actually like so confusing. It's wonderful though. And then one of these roofs of this strange building, you basically have like outdoor cafeteria. I was there a bit earlier, but a story up, there's this Gulliver thing, which is basically this airship right behind me. And the funny thing is, you can actually go 1 or 2 more stories above this to another gallery. Like, it's super confusing, but it's beautiful. This has been a lovely visit so far. I need to tell you one thing about Prague. On Mondays, most of the museums are actually closed, and on Sundays, most of the shops are closed, which is very interesting. And another thing is, if you're walking around at city centre, especially the busy parts, it's extremely safe. You see, you can just walk around anywhere, and you don't need to worry about being robbed, feeling uncomfortable, being slagged. It's pretty damn nice. Like, it's very refreshing compared to a lot of these other cities where you don't feel comfortable walking around with a backpack or a phone in your hand. Yeah, I absolutely love this city. So that was a wonderful gallery centre of contemporary art. Basically the top 3 floors, there's I think 4 floors and a basement. The top 3 floors are all with art exhibitions. The others have various things such as archives, a cinema, a cafe, outdoor art, the Gulliver, which is the airship. It's really damn awesome, it's beautiful, and wow. But I'm probably going to take the metro now towards the Castle Park where I was yesterday and look at that art exhibition, and after that I'll definitely go back to the town centre and go to a few places, hopefully meet up with someone, but we'll see what happens. And yeah, let's go. So my time's coming to an end, just like all good things. And I'm certain that I'll figure out a way to make it back here again, because this city is something magical. It's beautiful, it's wonderful, the people are great. And there's a lot that could be said, about exploring the city, about tips and guides, but I think I should leave it down to you to figure it out because every tourist is different. I'm just a backpacker who loves walking and just seeing the different sites. I love this history, it's beautiful. And to be honest, there's so much more to explore. So many hidden streets and alleys. And I'm going out again later today, the afternoon, to meet up with a Navid, a fellow Ozorian that I love. He was one of my good friends there, and I can't wait to see him once again for the last time this year, I think. But yeah, it's never the last time. Like we're bound to meet each other again in the future. So I guess that's it. Come here if you want to explore a medieval style city with phenomenal architecture. Until next time, bye.